Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amol's Academy, and I'm back with another turtle tutorial. In the previous turtle tutorial we discussed about up and down method. That is how we can control the turtle. We can tell the turtle when to draw the line and when not to draw the line while turtle is moving, right? From today onwards, using all the methods we learned in the previous tutorials, we'll draw few patterns, okay? So we'll begin with a simple pattern, that is this. We want to draw 5 circles. First circle is this, and we can see 4 more circles, okay? So this will be the x coordinate and this will be the y coordinate. And here I'll take my own distance and radius, okay? So first, to draw this pattern, to draw these circles, what we need to do, we need to import the turtle module first, right? So in the Python file, first step is import the turtle module. Next, create a turtle object from the turtle class. Alright, so now we'll begin with this circle, okay? We want to draw this circle first. So here we can see the center of this circle will be the home position of the turtle, okay? So this will be the home position as well as this will be the center of the circle. And in my program, I'll take the radius of circle is 50, okay? If you want, you can change that, but here I'll take the radius as 50. In my program, if I save this and run this, here we can see the turtle, okay? This is in the home position. Now I want to draw a circle. If I use circle method, then I'll get the circle. But what will happen is, of radius 50, I told you, right? So if I save this and run this now, okay, it will draw from here, from home position. But in my pattern, I want the center of circle as the home position of the turtle, right? I don't want to draw from here, okay? I want to draw from here. So now what I need to do, I need to move this turtle from here to here, okay? So for that, what I'll do is, before creating this circle, I'll use go to and I'll move to the particular position. That position is, okay, here this will be the home position, okay? So I want to draw circle from here, so I want this turtle here, okay? So for this, what I'll do is, I'll use go to method, okay? I need to mention the x and y coordinate where I want to move the turtle. So here, what is this position? This is, okay, here we can see, okay, so this is 0 0 home position, okay? Here x is 0, y is 0. Now I want to move here, okay? What is this position? This is minus y, okay? If I take this, this is minus x, okay? So here x is 0, right? Because it is present in the same line, and y is this distance, okay? What is this distance? That is 50, okay? So that is the radius of the circle, and here I'll take minus 50 because this is minus y, so I need to take minus 50, okay? So here if I take 0 and minus 50, okay? So now if I save this and run this, so turtle will move here and it will draw the circle, but I don't want this line right here. So for that I need to use up and down. So before doing this, I need to do t dot up. So while moving to this position, don't draw the line. Next, after that I want line, because while drawing the circle I want line, that's why t dot down, okay? So now if I see this, okay, so now I got the first circle, okay? So next, in the circle we want to fill the color, that is green color, right? So to fill the color, what we'll use begin fill, end fill and fill color, right? We already discussed about this. So here, before drawing the circle, here I need to take begin fill. So that's nothing but start filling. So here I need to mention the fill color. Here we want green, right? So I'll mention green. Next, after drawing circle, end filling. Okay, so now if I save this and run this, done. Okay, so done with the first circle. Okay, so this is done. Next, to draw this circle, what I'll do is, now our turtle is here. Okay, I'll move it to home position. Okay, so for that I'll just use t dot home. Okay, it will move to the home position if you want to see. Okay, here we can see I don't want this line, so t dot up. Here you need to use t dot up. Okay, go to home. Right, next here I'll take the distance of this circle from the home position is, I'll take randomly. Okay, 200 200, x is 200, y coordinate is 200. Okay, if it is 200 200. Okay, both are positive because here positive y and positive x. Okay, so both are positive, so I need to go to this position and I need to draw the circle. Okay, so here what I'll do is I'll copy this. Okay, I'm doing same thing. These are the code I used to draw circle, right? So I'll copy this and here I'll paste this. Okay, so now I need to mention the distance. Go to 200 200, right? Both are positive. Okay, next what I need to do, t dot down. Next, begin fill. Fill color, here we can see the color is orange, so here I'll change that to orange. Okay, next draw a circle of 50 radius, end fill, t dot up, go to home position. So now if I save this and run this, right, done with the second circle also. So now turtle is in the home position. Now I want to draw this circle. Okay, so for this also I'll follow the same piece of code, but here we can see the distance. If I take it is also I'll take 200 200 only. Okay, but here minus x positive y, right, the coordinates. So here I need to take minus 200 and 200 as the distance. Okay, coordinates. Okay, here minus x and positive y. So here I'll copy this and I'll paste this. So here minus x. Okay, so minus 200 200, t dot down, and color is blue, right? Here we can see fill color is blue, and the same code. Okay, now again I'll save this and run this. Okay, so done with the third circle also. So next thing is we'll go to here, this circle. Okay, the red circle. So here also the distance is 200 and 200, but here both are negative, minus x minus y coordinate. Okay, so here minus 200 minus 200. So we need to go to minus 200 minus 200, and fill color is red. So I'll copy and here I'll paste. So minus 200 minus 200, color is red. Done. Okay, so here we can see the distance is less, right, compared to this upper part, because here we are drawing the circle in the anti-clockwise direction, right? So when I take distance as 200 and 200, here it comes, okay, this point, and it will draw circle like this. Okay, but here it is 200 and 200, it will come here. Okay, so it will draw circle like this. That's why the distance is less. Okay, now I want the last circle. Okay, so here the distance is 200 200, but here minus y and positive x. Okay, so 200 and minus 200. Alright. Color is yellow. Okay, so we got the same pattern because here distance is different. These two has more distance from the home position and these two has less because of that direction. Okay, so if I take here minus 50 and here minus 50, it will draw in the clockwise and we'll get the same distance if you want to see. Look, now distance is same, right? Okay, so next, so here we can see this program is very lengthy. Okay, so instead of writing this code again and again, okay, so here codes are repeating, right? Lines are repeating. So instead of doing this, we can define a function and we can put this code in that function and we can call that function whenever we want, right? So we can do that. So for that, what I need to do is here I'll take def, I'll define a function. You can give any name to this function. I'll give as draw circle, okay, because we are drawing the circle. Okay, so here I need to take few parameters. So the first thing is, here we can see in every code changes, one is this coordinates, right? We want to go to different position. Okay, here we can see. So what I'll do is I'll take x and y. Okay, so we can ask the user to mention that, and as well as color. The color of each circle is different, so color. And next I'll take radius also, because here in the last part we took minus 50, right? We want to draw circle in the anti-clockwise direction also, so that's why. Okay, I'll take radius as rad. So now what I'll do is I'll copy this code and I'll put it inside the function. Okay, here first I'll define the function, next here I'll take this. Okay, and here instead of this go to, I need to mention x, y, and here color, and here radius. Okay, done. So next, here instead of this code, I can call this function now, that is draw circle. First 0, minus 50, color is green, radius is positive 50. Done. Okay, so now I don't want this, I can delete this. So now instead of this, I can write draw circle. Here coordinate is 200, 200, color is orange, radius is 50. Now I can delete this. Now again for this, I'll copy this. Okay, distance is minus 200, 200, color is blue, and radius is 50. Okay, so I don't want this. Again paste. Okay, so distance is minus 200, minus 200, color is red, and radius is minus 50. Done. I don't want this now. So now again 200 and minus 200. Color is yellow and radius is minus 50. I don't want this now. Okay, so now we can see it contains only few lines, this program, right? So now if I save this and run this, okay, so in this way we can use functions here. So here what I'll do is I'll again include few function. Okay, here I'll take it as 0, 300. I'll include few function called more. That's it. Okay, so like this you can do many patterns here. And one more thing, you can increase the pen size also. Okay, here you can go for t dot pen size and you can mention, okay, 10, 20 or 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I go for 4, here we can see the line thickness. Okay, now it is dark, right? The thickness is more like here. Okay, so in this way you can draw the lines. If you want, you can increase the speed also. Okay, so this is about the pattern. Okay, so I know this is the simple pattern, but first we need to know how to use the method, how to use the function and all, right? So that's why I made this video. I hope this video will help you. And that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.